Claims that Silicon Valley's staff in Juba were being detained by national security have been dismissed as baseless by the country representative. Justin Cato Anthony's statement comes after the head of business department at the Silicon Valley shares, John Bryan, who is based in the U.S., said South Sudan authorities locked up his Juba-based office and detained the staff. Bryan also claims security personnel seized an unspecified amount of money from the office. Clarifying the statement, Anthony, the Silicon Valley shares branch manager in Juba, said none of the staff was arrested. But they were instead evacuated to a place of safety by national security. This was when their clients stormed the office, demanding answers to the money they invested with the company. This came after the online company suspended its website, denying the investors access to their accounts. Our employees are not detained or arrested by the national security, or our funds have not been taken by national security, said Cato. I personally called national security to rescue my staff when the system went off, but the following day we opened the office. We have explained to the staff about the issue of the system, and most of them understood it. Some people started the fighting, and that is why I have to call on the government and the government to come to rescue the staff, and the staff has not been detained. Last Wednesday, a video emerged online in which a crowd of investors stormed the purported Silicon Valley shares office in Juba and quarreled with staff at the premises. At the weekend, the National Police spokesperson, Major General Daniel Justin, advised the company's aggrieved clients to file a court case instead of complaining to the media.